Okay, so this is the recipe, essentially. You can click after this: potatoes, parsnips, carrots, a vegetable medley, just because I had it, some meat, stock, mushrooms, and seasonings. So essentially you make stock with these lot, chop some carrots and parsnips. I think I might use all the parsnips because it's not Christmas. Mushrooms, and just put some random stuff in with some meat. Works well for me. And yes, I'm standing on a chair to record this. I'm very classy. So I'm just going to put that, not mine, into the slow cooker. So you want to put it on in advance and then put some water on. Get ready for stock time. Oh, plus, in addition, these stock cubes are great, student price, and I just had them free in my drawer and I just picked 3 of them. Just whichever ones came out are the ones I'm using. I think I might get another vegetable one because there's a lot of vegetables. Also, I think they do make pork ones, but I don't have them, so chicken is delicious. And that way you can work out how much salt and stuff you're putting in, even though inevitably you're just going to add more because salt is delicious. And the meat. No, not chopping this stuff up. Just plopping it in. Holy, delicious. Of course, this would work as a vegetarian or vegan meal if you want, but it'll be less delicious, less meaty. It'll be different. Also, I decided against the lentils, so no lentils. Vegetable number 1. 2 carrots. You should probably slice it thinner than I do, but I'm lazy. And next up, 2 of the 4 parsnips. They were huge, so I ended up dicing them. I'm going to do the other 2 as well, but huge parsnips for Christmas. More. Probably, accidental. Get the pudding on. I should probably stir it and get rid of this plastic. Where'd that come from? It's actually quite a lot of stock. There's only the mushrooms to go, because the potatoes you add later because they cook much quicker. Just as I said that, I was like, and what, mushrooms? They don't take long, they take like 5 seconds to cook. Shh. Okay, but I'm using them to add flavour to the stock, so it needs to be to put in now, but I'm going to add some more for like texture later, like right before I eat them, if I want some texture. And I added 1 huge one. I think it's a chestnut mushrooms. Let me check. Chestnut mushroom. I'm reading it upside down, so it's mushroom chestnut. That was just like brain compute. So this will be it. It's just a bag of mixed vegetables next. So it's 1 huge one, 1 large one, 1 huge one, 1 large one, and like 3 medium ones. So open this. Put you down. Okay. So I'm not sure how well this will go, but I really wanted some butternut, and I couldn't be bothered to buy loads of vegetable juice. Oh well, too late. And chops. I think, if anything, I'd take out the broccoli. Because, like, broccoli? Really? Okay. Give that a mix. Might actually take the broccoli out. It's at the top. I can do it. Might leave some tiny broccoli bits, but that's fine. Get rid of those big lumps of broccoli, because we're already full. cool. I don't know how you're supposed to slow cooker, but this looks good to me. Just a load of shish. Meat at the bottom. Got this on high because you kind of want it to heat up to the maximum. Put the lid on. Gonna leave it on high for about an hour. That's not my cake. Cannot have cake. Resist the cake. Vegetables. Sorry, my roommate, housemate, I don't share a room, put the washer on. But potatoes, so these are all kind of starting to get squishy, so add the potatoes in, and basically you eat when these are cooked through, the potatoes. I'm trying to. Let's see if we can fish out a piece of meat. No, it's too much heavy vegetable on top. Okay. That's fine. Push it back into the water. And cook. So after 6 hours, this is my makeup. My lips have gone. I should probably actually put new lips on. But I can't be bothered. And hello, 6 hours later, the food is done. Close to you, hopefully. So, basically just looks like a load of vegetables. And a piece of meat. Surprisingly not tender. I've never tried it with this cut before, so I'm just going to take a bite. Tasty, a bit salty. Meaty. Carrots. Potato. Nope, this is parsnip. Parsnips cooked wonderfully. This random red pepper. Tiny mushroom slices. Got a bit of butter squash. Just a great way to like come back home after a long day at work or uni or whatever and have some food. The carrots are a bit crunchy. If you've got a slow cooker, just bosh anything in there. It'll taste good. As long as you put good ingredients in, basically. And don't add like weird cheese or milk or something that can like curdle, I guess. But I'm going to finish this. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you can try it out. Maybe you're amused. I'm not sure. I haven't edited this yet, so don't know. Yeah, thank you for coming again, guys. This is stage 2 of slow cooker food for me. So basically, for the first 5 meals, I kind of ate just the slow cooker meal. I had some with buckwheat noodles. It was great. And then you kind of just use it in weird ways, or at least I do. So I put it into the stir fry. You can see some chunk. And I think I've got some left in the fridge, a container worth, which I'm going to make into a soup. So got 5 meals, and then I'm probably going to get about 4 more from one box, and then about 3 more from the other box. So be creative, because when you make such a big slow cooker amount, you're kind of like, I don't want to eat this anymore, so I make it into something different.
The big one in male or female?
A male.
I can tell. That's of the head.
That's my size of him. Yes.
Pretty male.
Oh, yeah, look at it feeding that.
I cannot see.